Hi, Jim Shassel from Team Life. Wanted to spend a little time with you going over steps to take care of your AED when you hear a beep and you see a red X in the status indicator. So this AED, which is in a wall case, the status indicator is a red X and I hear an audible alarm. So the first thing I need to do is remove it from the case. The majority of you will have the case alarmed, so we need to turn the alarm off before we remove the AED. Your key should be right inside the AED. You're simply going to turn the alarm off, and that allows you to remove the AED from the carrying case. Now let's take a look about diagnosing what's wrong with the AED. Now that we have your cardiac signs G5 AED out of the wall case, let's go through to see what replacement we need to take care of. We have pads and batteries that we need to keep track of. Right now there's a red status indicator and an audible beep. I'm going to show you how to place your AED in diagnostic mode. After I turn the unit on, I'm going to push the two gray buttons underneath the lid. You will hear your bilingual G5 begin to speak its second language. This one happens to be English-Spanish. But I'm going to continue to hold down those buttons and put it right in the diagnostic mode. So to turn your AED on, I'm going to remove the carrying case. I'm going to push the white button that's going to lift the lid to turn your unit on.
Maintenance required. Continue rescue. Stay
Here
calm.
are the two gray
Follow
buttons
these
that I mentioned
instructions.
before. I'm going to press both of those and hold
Siga
them.
estas instrucciones. Diagnostic mode.
So now on the screen it's going to tell me exactly what needs to be replaced. It said pads expired, replace pads. To go ahead and do that, I'm just going to simply remove the pad connector, take out your expired set of pads, take your new set of pads, plug in the pad connector, place the pads on the lid shelf, tuck the wires in, making sure none of the wires are caught. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid, and you're going to observe in a few seconds the status indicator going from a red X to a green circle. At that point, I know I have a rescue-ready AED. So now it just flipped green, I'm ready to go. If in diagnostic mode it's said to replace the battery, I'm going to remove the AED out of its carrying case. The battery is on the other side. I'm simply going to push in the clip, take the whole battery out. You would take your next battery, plug it in, and once again just wait a few seconds waiting for the status indicator to go from a red X to a green circle. So now I have once again a rescue-ready AED. We appreciate your business at Team Life. If you have any questions for us, give us a call and always look us up at teamlife.com.